Tests that randomly fail. Leftover test data from a previous run is almost always the culprit. Imagine your test creates a user in the database, then exits without cleaning up. Next run, that user is still there. When the test tries to create it again, you get a duplicate key error, even though your code is fine. This is test pollution. One test leftovers corrupting another. The root fix is that every integration test must start from a known, consistent state, with no inherited baggage from previous runs. Leftover data also hurts performance. Test databases fill up with stale records over time, queries slow down, and CI runs become more expensive. Lean environments keep your test suite fast and infrastructure costs predictable. The good news? Cleanup is simple to implement. Use teardown hooks like after each to remove test records after every test. Wrapping tests in a database transaction that you roll back at the end is an even cleaner approach. As a bonus, clean isolated environments let you safely run test suites in parallel. No shared state means no data conflicts between concurrent runs. Always clean up after integration tests. It prevents flaky tests, keeps environments lean, and unlocks safe parallel execution. Like and subscribe for more interview prep. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.